D-Mannose health benefits and treatment. Benefits: resolved most symptoms and reduced their recurrence. Improves congenital disorders of glycosylation. Balances the immune system, in animals and cells. May prevent other infections, in animals. May act as a prebiotic. May help with weight loss. Now Foods, D-Mannose Review. Description: healthy urinary tract. Cleanses the bladder. Non-GMO project verified. A dietary supplement. Vegetarian, vegan. Kosher. General health. GMP Quality Assured. D-Mannose is a naturally occurring simple sugar that your body utilizes to help cleanse the urinary tract and maintain a healthy bladder lining. It's metabolized only in small amounts, with excess amounts rapidly excreted in urine, so it won't interfere with healthy blood sugar regulation. Clinical studies have demonstrated that, when taken regularly, D-Mannose promotes normal urinary tract function by cleansing and maintaining the health of the bladder lining. Suggested use: take 3 capsules 1 to 3 times daily. Take with water or unsweetened juice, such as unsweetened cranberry juice. Warnings: caution, for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.